Hello, my name is Dale and welcome to my channel. Today I'm at the Thames Valley Park Nature Reserve and also Oracle Lakes. Yes, so this is Thames Valley Nature Reserve. There's a cute there with his baby, but young. They're cute with his chicks. Baby chicks very nice. Baby cute. Nice. One of the Oracle Lakes at Thames Valley Park. Family of coots. The parent coot's gathering the waterweed and giving it to the chicks. And the other chick's finding his own. Yeah, we have another small pond over here. I've been here before. Oh, this is swans. Swans over there with a mallard ducks. Here are more in. I saw a small pike here the last time I came here. It's well hidden away, this place is right down the bottom of Thames Valley Park. If you park in the drive, it's right down the bottom on the left hand side. I like the water plants. I see lots of water lilies in the pond there. Yeah. It's on the other side. Yeah, I have a confession to make. I've been working the last 4 nights. I did 11-hour shifts, and I've only had 4 hours sleep today because I'm not working tonight. So I only had 4 hours sleep, and so I'm a bit short of sleep, to be honest. So I came out to film this. Just coming up to another viewpoint across the lake, or across one of the ponds. I'll tell you one thing, there's a lot of aeroplanes in this area. A lot of small planes. Every time I'm trying to film something, I can hear a plane flying overhead. Yeah, this is another viewpoint across one of the lakes. Quite a big fish ripple out there. Nice water lilies. Very peaceful, not a lot of people about. That's what you always find with this place, is a quiet place with not a lot of people around. Another seat you can look across the lakes. Not such a good view here, I don't think. Oh, an egret, hey! I've seen loads of those in the rice fields in the Philippines. Thousands of them there. Remember when I first used to see them in the 1990s, back home in Devon, on the estuaries. It was a bit of a rarity then, I thought. Another viewpoint of the pond, one of the ponds. Anyway, thank you for watching. Until next time, I'll say goodbye.